너를 녹여버리지 Start in the same drop I'm the way you want it the melody
Guys, so it's me again, so it's me Luigi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you see that we're gonna do a Baby Monster music video for today's video. Yes, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and notification bell to update my rebel. So we have a 2 music video na reaction today. So, gagawin natin siya. So let's go. Comment down below if you're so this is the Baby Monster Sugar Iced Tea. Ando. Sugar honey iced tea. Oh my god, I forgot the honey because honey, my love. In a half. Half. Honey. Oh my god, I love honey. So let's go, guys. Reaction video. Oh my god. Whose bias is Rora? Chiquita. You know, Chiquita is my bias ever since. Oh my god. Oh my god, this music video hits different. Like, wow. The body tea.
You know it. I'm the sugar honey iced tea, and you know it. Ice, 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 and you know it. I'm the sugar honey.
Oh my god, they're so perfect.
I'm the sugar honey. Sweet just like some ice with icing. My life looks like a pipe dream.
Whoa.
I'll make them light green. Temperature bright.
Ang perfect na mga fits, ang perfect na mga hairstyle, you know. Oh my god, the production is giving.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Put it on your body, stop.
Ang ganda niya, di ba? Ang ganda ng mga outfit nila.
No mistake, hit the stage, baby, in the same drop. I'm doing it on.
My god, Blandita. Blandita siya, guys. Ano nakalagay? She pulled the teens. She pulled the teens.
I'm the sugar honey iced tea, and you know it.
Oh my god, it's giving diva. I love the choreo. This part. Wow.
Sugar honey iced tea, and you know I love that.
Grabe. They are so slay. They ate the step. Feel ko, parang pinaghanda talaga siya.
I'm the sugar honey iced sugar mama, don't do the drama, just let the comes like yeah, yeah, yeah. You
Oh my god. The rap part, you know that?
the rest of me you wish. Come naturally, and it matters.
So cute. Ganda ng cake. What's that?
I'm sweet just like some
Face card nila. Ang ganda din ng mga lipi nila.
icing. My life looks like a pipe dream. I know, enticing. I make them light green.
This is like another Sauti, guys. Like, Sauti of the year. So sexy. Grabe. Alam mo, didn't expect that this music video na magiging. But, oh my god. Oh, grabe. Oh, perfect. Feel ko i-memorize ko yung lyrics nila kasi it's giving diva talaga yung mga part. And also the tone or the what do you call that? What do you call that, guys? Tinanong. Wow. Feel ko may mga ano din sila dito sa ending. May mga pasabog sila kasi under JYP siya eh. Kasi mga under JYP may mga pasabog sila sa mga ending part. At part, 'di ba? Every JYP music video like may mga pagganito sila na di mo alam talaga na parang mag-expect ka na may merong mga ganitong part. And share, I think nasa 15 million views na siya. I don't know why iba yung vibes ng video today. Oh, so perfect. Ay, ang ganda for real. Ay, wala tayong thumbnail. Well, updated my every guys.
부드럽게 너를 녹여보려